Hello YouTube, thank you for joining us today. This is Nick from Patina Dreams. This will be the second video I posted on the brand. Wanted to have a very special unboxing moment with you because I received something today I'm really excited about. You can probably tell by my setup here that I am an OG, an original gamer, and I have a different channel for that, but that's my anonymous channel, so I may share it in the future, but for now I'll keep it separate. In the meantime, let's get to our unboxing. So if you remember a certain video on the Hales, What the Hales channel, where they were unloading a locker they had purchased from the murderers unit, I had seen something in there I liked quite a bit, and I emailed them thinking, well, they may get to the email, they may not. They may have so many that they just don't even pay attention to all the emails. And I realized when I received the auto response that I didn't actually tag the video correctly, but I let it go. I figured what the heck, or what the Hales as they would say. And a couple weeks later I got a message from George, which was just amazing to me that they took the time to write back, and it was a really thoughtful message. They were excited to sell me the item. It was a steal, by the way. They gave me a heck of a deal. But first off, I'll give you some evidence that what I'm telling you is the truth. I'll walk behind so that I can make sure this is in line. You'll see it came from George Hales. I didn't put the address, I blacked out the addresses and stuff. I didn't really want to put that information up, including my own, but at any rate, I received it today. So I think it's 10 minutes, 5 seconds into the video, they unbox a jersey from, and it's not an official jersey, it's just a New York jersey with a 72 on it. Something that's really important to me is that my initials are NY, and I was born in 1972. So when I saw that, I thought, oh, that's actually a really cool jersey. I'd love to put that, have that around. And I had another wild idea when I sent them the message, and I asked them to sign it for me. This is supposed to be it. Now, if you were watching the live stream on What the Hales last night, you'll notice they put their the hoodie, the infamous Jeremy hoodie, the Frankenstein hoodie that he wears all the time, up on eBay, and at this point it's up to $14,600. So I think that for $10 plus shipping, I made out like a bandit. Although they didn't wear it, all the same. Let's see what we have here. So there she is. Oh, and this is perfect. I can already see signatures on it. So very excited. I'll have to put the link to the video I'm talking about. Again, it's the Murderers Locker unit at the point of 10 minutes 5 seconds. It is a BGL size 2XL. I can actually wear this, but I'm not going to because I wouldn't want to wash it. So this is the jersey, New York, 72, signed Jeremy and George Hales, right there on the corner. How fantastic is this? Thank you, Jeremy, George, you're fantastic and amazing people. Keep doing the good work and re-storaging and love. It really is an amazing movement from amazing people. And the entire network, Storage Locker, Pirate, and oh gosh, everyone else that's on there. Just a great group. Like Jeebus and Locker Nuts, everybody. I watch them all, I've subscribed to them all, they're fantastic people. Go on, watch the videos. They've all inspired me, mostly the Hales, in making my videos, but you'll see my first locker cleanup. It's actually not my first locker cleanup. It's the first one on the channel. Coming up this weekend, I have to take care of a couple of legal matters on the items I found within it, which is really exciting, and I can't wait to share with everybody here. And who knows, if these are people years down the road that say, what videos did you make in the beginning? Well, this is what you get. Again, Well, I almost forgot to tell you one thing. I'm going to switch over to that first video again real quick just to show you a little snippet. So watch this and we'll come right back.
So you'll see this is a really neat frame. I have art that would probably fit in that. I don't know how this would work with these pieces. This may just be on the print, it probably is. So if these two pieces, this is probably the inner frame, the glass, that's just a separator. That frame would cost a ton of money in a store, and I've got a piece that would probably fit in here.
I wonder what I could put in that really cool frame. I really don't know what I'll put in there, because really I have so much great stuff. Okay, I'm just kidding. Nothing as great as that. George and Jeremy, thank you again. You made my day, you made my week, and actually, to be honest with you, you are my inspiration, and I got nothing but love for you. All the best on your journeys, and remember to hashtag Stores of Love. Actually, we have a guest. Oh, this is Cleo, the production cat. She is always around me, and she's very, very heavy. At any rate, you might be able to tell I'm a bit of an OG original gamer. Cleo, stop. Thank you, everybody from YouTube to the Hales and everyone in between. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.